In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Analytics 4. To get started, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you have not used Google Analytics before, you will need to create an account and then set up a GA4 property for your business or website. A property is where your tracking data will live. Once your property is ready, you will connect it to something you want to measure, like a website, by creating a data stream. After you are signed in, go to the Analytics home screen. This is the main dashboard, and it is a good place to confirm you are in the correct account and property before you change any settings. From here, click the highlighted area that takes you into the Admin and Data Setup area. This is where you manage properties and create streams. Next, find the option to add a stream, and select it. When you add a stream, you are telling GA4 where your data will come from. For most websites, you will choose the Web option. Click Web to continue. You will now move through the web stream setup and configuration area by clicking through the highlighted options on the screen. As you do this, pay attention to the stream details you are editing, because this is where GA4 generates the measurement ID for your website stream. That measurement ID is what connects your site to your GA4 property for tracking. When you reach the stream details page, click the highlighted section to open the stream configuration information. This is the area you will return to later if you need to review your measurement ID or adjust settings. In many setups, you will also see options related to enhanced measurement, which can automatically track common interactions like page views and scrolls depending on your configuration. Continue by clicking through the highlighted items until you see the list of available streams. In this guide, you will select the YouTube channel stream option. Click YouTube channel, then click the highlighted selection to open that stream. At this point, your stream is selected and you are viewing its details. This confirms you are in the right place to manage that connection and review its settings. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.